Hello, welcome to IELTS Speaking and Vocabulary. I'm Tracy and I'm going to be your instructor for the next 11 weeks. So welcome, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you and to seeing your progress over the next 11 weeks. So right now, I'd like to give you a little overview of the course and walk you through the Moodle site that we're going to be using. So here we are on the Moodle site, and you will already be watching this video. Once you have finished watching the video, take a look through step by step through the information down here. There's important information about things like the class schedule, the start and end date, what the goals of the class are, how to contact me. So there will be office hours that you can arrange to meet me during on Zoom. And you can always contact me by email. And there's also an important sheet here on etiquette for online learning. So that explains some guidelines on how to interact with each other politely and respectfully. There's also some really useful language for asking questions politely or giving your opinion. So please take a careful look at that. You might want to print it out. And once you've done that, you're going to come down to introduce yourself. So this is a chance for us to get to know each other. So by Friday, the 14th of January, you'll need to go to Flipgrid. You're going to be introducing yourself and telling us 3 things that you like, and also interacting with some of your classmates. You just click on the button or on this link here. It's going to take you to an app called Flipgrid where you can do your introduction. And I'll just point out, if you have all of these closed, you can get a nice overview of the topics that we're going to be working on over the next 11 weeks. The preliminary week is what we're in now, so doing introductions and learning about the course, just getting ready. Next week, we'll be doing friends and family for Unit 1, and that's the first week when we'll have a Zoom meeting. So the meeting is on Tuesday, January the 18th. And so let's take a look at an example unit. Let's choose Homes and Architecture. So this is what each unit looks like, and it should be easy to see the steps that you need to take to get through the week. Notice there's a link here for Tuesday's Zoom class. You have some things to do before that, so make sure that they are done before you get to the Zoom class. So for example, the first button will always be a short video introduction for the topic, and also you'll find some key points written out there. And there's a preparation booklet in this week to get ready for the Zoom class. So in this case, it is vocabulary related to homes. And once you're finished, you're just going to click on the right-hand arrow to get answers. And just keep going till you get to the end. In this case, you also need to be ready with vocabulary to explain about your homes. So once you have finished that, you can just go back up to the top, click on Unit 2, and it'll take you back to where you were before. So there's navigation at the top of the page here, and also on the left-hand side. When you get to Tuesday, the link for the meeting will be here, along with resources that you need to open for the class. You'll also in week 2 have a chance to tell me how you're feeling about the course, whether you're finding it easy or difficult, or you need help. And every week you'll have some Quizlet flashcards. So this is a way to help you review vocabulary. So you can use the flashcards as is. There's also options for you to use games to help you remember the vocabulary. Some weeks there will also be a discussion forum. So this is a chance for you to discuss things outside of the Zoom meetings, interact with your classmates. In this one, we have a more serious question. Does everyone have a right to a home? And you can post your ideas in writing. But since it's a speaking class, I would also encourage you to post them via video. And there's instructions how to do that once you look at the discussion forum. And to end, every week there will be a vocabulary quiz to test you on vocabulary from the week. And you need to aim to get at least 70%. But of course, hopefully you'll be getting 100% on that. So that's about it. As I said, there will be office hours on Wednesday from 6:30 till 8 o'clock. If you have any questions, if you need any help at all about the course, if you're having problems with it, please do come to office hours. I'm happy to meet you on Zoom or send me an email. And if you want to make use of the office hours, please email me to arrange it. You can email me before the office hours or even during it, and we'll set it up. And I think that's about it. So I'm really looking forward to the next 11 weeks, and let's have some fun.